Good morning, all of you. Good morning to all of you, my KG students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Anurag Murmu? Not. Ushmita is there. Ushmita, Haldar and Bhavak. Bhavak is present. Otri, present. Gronthona, present. Prithviraj? Yes, Gronthona, present. Rudraditya? Shoshmit Ghosh? Wait, Rudraditya, yes. Okay. Shoshmit? Sreshtanak? Srijan? Shoyam Prabhu? Orijit? Orijit? Aishwarya? Tathagato? Shamanto? ये क्लास से नहीं तो क्या एब्सेंट कर रहा हो मोयुक ऐश्वर्या अच्छा okay, good morning all of you, and so as you know it is our mathematics class, and today I just before starting our today's class, I just want to ask you just a little basic question. Let's see who will give the answer. So first, do you know how many hands you have? Can you tell me how many hands we have? Yes, Shayam Prabhu, Ashmita Haldar, Ashmita Bhavak, Srijan. Yes, Priyam. Very good. Yes, we have 2 hands. Now, can you tell me how many hands? Now I am showing how many hands? Come on, tell me how many hands you can see now. Yes, Srijan, I have got your answer. Very good. Giving one more hand. Then how many hands? Yes, Srijan, thank you. And Shayam Prabhu? 3. No, please see properly. Now we have 2 hands. First I am showing 1 hand. Then after I am giving 1 more. It's okay, Shayam Prabhu. No problem. Don't be sorry. So now you can see these 2 hands. So we have 2 hands. And if I am joined together, then we are now I am present ready for prayer. Okay, so if I am joined 2 hands, that makes 2. We can say 2 hands. Okay, now can you tell me how many fingers we have in our hand? How many fingers we have? Yes, Shayam Prabhu, Ashmita Halda, very good. We have 10 fingers in our hands total. So Here in my right hand, 5 fingers, and again in my left hand also 5 finger. If I am joined together, that makes 10 fingers. So this 5 finger, and then after 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now we can tell that in our hands, join them, and 10 fingers we have. Okay, so how it is possible? If I have 5 fingers and giving more 5, that time we are saying that 10 fingers. So giving more or join more, it has another name that we can say add more things. That time we are using this term, that is add. A-double-D, add. Okay, so add, if I am write this full term, that is addition. Okay, addition, add or addition. So what is the meaning of this? You can say in Bengali, that is jog kora. Okay, add kora ba join kora ba addition kora, যেটাকে আমরা বাংলায় বলি যোগ করা. Okay, so it is called addition. So if I have 1, then I will join or I will adding 2 or more numbers or things that makes a new total. That is called addition, or we can say add or addition, যেটাকে আমরা যোগ বলি. Yes, Srijan, very good. এটাকে আমরা যোগ বলি বাংলায়. So this addition denotes one symbol. So how looks like this symbol? First you say that what is the line. Previous day you have also tell that what is the line. This line name sleeping line, or you can say horizontal line. Yes, Tathagato, you have already said, and Srijan also. Yes, Shoshmita Bhabok, it is horizontal line, and this line is standing line, or you can say it is vertical line. So if I am join this vertical line in over the horizontal line, if I am drawing this vertical line over the horizontal line, so that makes this symbol, it's called plus. Okay, it's called plus symbol, P-L-U-S. So addition denotes plus symbol, and the symbol looks like this. Okay, so whenever we are adding something or addition, that time we are using this symbol. So this symbol is known as plus sign. Okay, so can you tell me that why we are using this plus, or why we are doing addition? Can you tell me? কেন আমরা অ্যাড করি? অ্যাডিশন করার দরকার কি? Why we are using this addition? Okay, now yes, Shayam Prabhu, to get the total. Very good. Yes, so we are using this plus can be used multiple time as required. যদি multiple times আমাদের একদম total দরকার হয়, that time we are using addition. Very good, Srijan, to get the total. Very good. So means of total. Very good, O3. Yes, I need this answer. So if I am writing, I have one thing, then one more, I have got one more thing, then after one more, one more, and one more. Now we have how many? That time we need the total. We need total. So we are using add or addition. We need addition. We are using this symbol, or we are using addition. So now we have the total things or numbers 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So now total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have the total number is 5. We can use multiple time adding, and this total, the sum of the total, that is 5. So in this way, or just because of this, just trying to adding something, and the total things, we need total things or numbers, that time we are using plus or addition. Yes, Shastita also, Priyam, Srijan, Prithviraj, very good. So our today's topic is addition. Today we will just primary or basic concept we will do of addition. What is addition? And you know what is the symbol of addition, and why we are using this addition. Today we have read. So now I have one ball. Okay. Now I have one ball, and I am very happy I have one ball. Now my brother will come, and my brother has given me one more ball. Okay. So now I have how many balls? Total I have 2 balls. But how can it possible? I have one, and my brother has given me, and that ball is joined with this ball and add with this ball. So that makes the total balls, 2 balls are here. So it is possible for this addition. Okay. So 1 plus 1, that makes 2. Yes, Swayam Prabhu, by adding 1 and 1. Very good. So now if I am here, I have 1, 2 balls, and my sister has given me more 2 balls. So now I have how many balls? Aishwarya, now just present. Yes, very good. So I have 2, and my sister has given me more 2. So these join together or adding together. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 4 balls. Very good. Otri, Moyuk, Oshmita Bhabak, Tathagato, Anurag. Very good. So now I have total 4 balls. So in this, when we are required this total amount or total things, that time we are using addition. Again you can see, now suppose I have 3 balls, and again my brother has given me more 3 balls. Then after, how many balls I have? Now the total balls 1, 2, 3, and 3 more, 1, 2, 3, adding together, that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total, now I have 6 balls. Okay. So in this way you can see that if I have 1 or 2, and I can if I am getting more 2 or more things or more numbers, that mix together, and we can get the total amount, that makes the total sum or total things, that is called addition. Okay, in this way we are doing this addition. Now you can see that I am taking one chalk in my right hand. Okay, in my right hand, and one more chalk you can see I am taking in my left hand. Now can you tell me how many chalks in my hand? How many chalks, how many total chalks in my hands? Yes, O3, I have got your answer, and very good, Priyam, Srijan, Moyuk, Oshmita Bhavak, Prithviraj, Shastita, Shayamprabhu, very good, and Granthana Tathagato. Yes, very good, you have written the answer 2. Very good. Because, but how can this possible? One chalk in my right hand and one more chalk in my left hand. If I am joined together, that makes total chalks in my hands 2. That is the result is 2. So in this way it is possible, that makes join together, and the total amount, it is very clear to you, that is the total amount. যখন আমরা একদম টোটালটা চাই, টোটাল অ্যামাউন্টটা পেতে চাইবো, that time we are using addition করব. Okay, so we use this addition when we are required the total amount or total objects or total things or total numbers. Okay, students, so today we have read that just a basic concept of addition. Then you can see, if I am writing 1 and here I am writing 2, first here 1 and I am adding 2 numbers, then what is the result? What is the total amount? Very good, Oshmita Haldar, and O3, Prithviraj, Priyam, Anurag, very good. Moyuk also. So 1 plus 2, that makes 3. That is the total. Okay. Again, 1 plus 3. How many? What is the total amount? Very good, Tathagato. I have got your answer. Moyuk, Priyam, Srijan, very good, Oshmita Bhavak, Anurag, very good. So 1 plus 3, that makes 4. Okay. So in this way we can do the addition. So you are just using this addition using with your hands. I hope those are already in our preparatory classes. They have already done with the help, already done or you already doing this addition with the help of your hands or your fingers. So you will try at your home with the help of try at your home this addition with the help of your fingers. Okay. So next day we will practice more additions. We will practice next day more types of additions. So today is enough for this, and I have given for you this homework, that is the page number 38 and 39. Okay, so those have already done, that is okay, and those have still not doing your homework, please do at your home. Next day we will discuss again these pages 38 and 39, and we will do the additions also. Okay, so you will practice at your home. So next day we will meet again. Goodbye and tata.